Is this the electric SUV that finally makes Tesla sweat? Look at this front end. The ultra-sharp lighting, aggressive low stance, and those massive aero wheels with bright neon calibers. This isn't just another boring EV commuter. In this metallic finish, the fastback coupe profile looks straight out of a concept studio. That continuous light bar sweeping across the rear gives it serious road presence, and the sloping roofline hits different from every angle. But the real story is the tech baked right into the bodywork. You've got fender-mounted HD camera pods, active aero shutters in the front bumper, and an active rear wing that deploys at speed to keep downforce high and range maxed out. And check this out. Pop the hood, and you actually get a legit front trunk, perfect for charging cables or a couple duffel bags when you hit the road. Step inside, and it feels like a total digital lounge. Minimalist design, ambient lighting running across the dash, and super soft perforated leather seats that look straight out of a high-end luxury vehicle. Small details matter here. The steering wheel controls feel crisp, there's a modular accessory mount built into the dash, and you get dual 50-watt wireless chargers right on the floating console with extra storage underneath. That central display is ridiculously fast. The real-time 3D vehicle rendering tracks everything around you with zero lag. Low-key one of the cleanest infotainment setups coming out this year. Backseat passengers aren't left out either. Knee room is massive, you get a pull-out storage drawer under the seat, dedicated rear air controls, and a massive panoramic roof that makes the whole cabin feel wide open. Out back, the utility is insane. Huge boot space, extra underfloor storage, and these modular side pegboards for mounting hooks and gears so stuff isn't sliding around while you drive. With rapid DC fast charging and design this sharp, it's a total game changer. If you want more no-nonsense car reviews like this, hit subscribe. We've got huge drops coming all week.